I did a test drive in GC, Grand Cherokee, and the fantastic experience. I think it was absolutely a great experience to come on a Sunday morning. The Jeep organized this event extremely well. The ground clearance is fantastic.
It was nice driving this Hulk, the Wrangler. It was very excited, and this was my first time. At the same time, I felt anxious and excitement at the same time.
And we took a test drive of Jeep Meridian. We also own a Jeep Meridian, and it was fun to see its capabilities in off-road conditions.
About Compass, the drive was nice and felt very confident about the vehicle, where the articulation was good, and the tech in the car helped me to maneuver the hurdles, and ground clearance is good, where I felt that my vehicle is not stalling or stopping anywhere.